Hello everyone, I am Amit Sarkar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy Plus. Today we will discuss about the effect of temperature on viscosity. So let's start our video. We will discuss about effect of temperature on viscosity. Okay, effect of temperature on viscosity. Now we know there are two types of viscosity. Okay, one is dynamic viscosity and another one is kinematic viscosity. Today we will discuss about effect of temperature on viscosity, basically on dynamic viscosity. And fluid is categorized in two types, that is liquid, another one is gas. In our first video of viscosity, we already discussed that what are the reasons behind viscosity. What are the reasons behind viscosity? There are two reasons due to which viscosity is created. One is cohesive force, second one is intermolecular momentum transfer. Okay, already we discussed about this in our first video. So now look, if temperature is increasing or decreasing, what will happen? In case of fluid, if temperature is increasing, what? If temperature is increasing, in case of liquid, what will happen? The cohesive force in molecules of liquid will be less when temperature will increase, because in case of liquid, cohesive force is much predominant than intermolecular momentum transfer in case of liquid. So whenever temperature will increase, this cohesive force of liquid will be less. This cohesive force of liquid will be less or reduced, then the viscosity will be reduced. Okay, temperature increase, cohesive force reduce, then viscosity will also reduce. Then what is the effect of temperature in case of liquid? If temperature will increase, cohesive force will reduce as well as viscosity will reduce. Similarly, in case of gas, what will happen? Look, in case of gas, is temperature will increase, then intermolecular momentum transfer, this is much more predominant in case of gas rather than cohesive force. If temperature will increase, then the molecules, the collision between molecules will be more, so that the kinetic energy will be more and the friction will be more. Due to this friction, viscosity will be more. Clear? So in case of gas, what will happen? If temperature increase, then friction will increase and viscosity will increase. So for liquid, we can say due to increasing of temperature, viscosity will reduce, and in case of gas, due to increase of temperature, viscosity will also increase. So this is the effect of temperature on viscosity. Clear? Now this can be represented by a numerical formula, that is, in case of liquid, mu is equal to mu 0 into 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. Okay, that is for liquid. In case of gas, this mu is equal to mu 0 into 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. Now, what is this? Look, this mu is dynamic viscosity of fluid or liquid at T degree Celsius. Mu 0 is dynamic viscosity of liquid at 0 degree Celsius. Alpha and beta are two constants. Clear? In case of gas, this mu is dynamic viscosity of gas at T degree Celsius, whereas mu 0 is dynamic viscosity of gas at 0 degree Celsius. Alpha and beta are two constants. Okay. So, these are the numerical formula with respect of temperature. So, this is our effect of temperature on viscosity. Clear? Okay. If you really like this video, then like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you. Thank you once again.